Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's recipe is going to be a simple vegetarian Chinese recipe. We are going to make Bok Choy, or it's also known as Bok Choy in some places. I'm combining it with mushrooms. So this is kind of Chinese cabbage, very tender leaves. It tastes really very good. Combination with mushrooms is awesome, and you can use any mushrooms you get. I'm using portobello because they are somewhat closer to shiitake, which is my personal favorite. But in India it's very difficult to see shiitake mushrooms in the stores. You can even use oyster mushrooms, button mushrooms, or even add some tofu to it. It tastes very good. The combination of the three also tastes very good. It's a simple stir fry with a lot of garlic. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So let's proceed to make this Chinese stir fry. Bok choy 2 bulbs or as needed, mushrooms 250 grams, dark soy sauce half tablespoon, green chilli preserve half tablespoon. Check out the link how to preserve the green chilies. Cornstarch 2 teaspoons, salt as needed, crushed garlic 1.5 tablespoons, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. I am using olive oil. You can use sesame oil also. First we are going to separate the bok choy leaves from the bulbs. Cut out the edge and separate the leaves. You can see there's a lot of black muck or dust particles in between them. So we are going to wash them under running water very nicely. Now the washing is done. Before cooking we are going to soak this in the veggie cleaning liquid. Add half a cap to about 1 liter of water and soak the greens. It's better these days to wash the veggies, greens especially, very well and soak in this liquid. If the leaves are bigger, cut them into 2. So now these will remain in this water until we are ready to cook them. Take a wok and add the oil. Actually, sesame seed oil is the best for Chinese cooking. I did not have it, so I'm using olive oil. Add the garlic first. Keep stirring it until it becomes nice and golden brown. Garlic is the key ingredient in this Chinese stir fry. The base of the wok is quite thick and it takes quite some time. Keep the gas flame high all the time, as Chinese cooking is always done on high flame. Now you can add the mushrooms first. We are adding mushrooms as they leave out a lot of water. So stir fry them first with garlic. And they don't even take long time to get cooked. Stir them for a couple of minutes. Now you can add the bok choy leaves. Stir them. Now you can add the green chilli preserve and the salt. Give it a good stir again to mix everything. Bok choy is really very nutritious. Apart from being rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, it's also full of cancer fighting compounds which help to lower your cancer risk. So we must have it occasionally. It's very good for health. What I do is sometimes even add few leaves in my other curries stir fries like aloo gobi. Try to add it to your diet in some form or the other. Now at this stage you can add the cornstarch diluted with some water. Stir so that everything gets mixed and cooked together. This doesn't take more than 7-8 minutes. Check for the salt and be very careful because still you are going to add soy sauce, that's also salty. Once the bok choy turns translucent, it is done. Don't overcook it, it should remain a little bit crunchy. It's nearly done. Finally, we are going to add the soy sauce. Now this is dark soy sauce, so I'm adding only half tablespoon. Even little less than that will do. If it is light soy sauce, you can add 1 full spoon. This gives a dark color, that doesn't give. Stir it again to mix everything well, and the bok choy stir fry is done, ready for you to serve. You can enjoy it with plain rice or noodles, or even Thai jasmine rice goes well with this. And as I mentioned earlier, you can also add tofu to this one. Such a nice, delicious, healthy Chinese vegetarian dish is ready for you. Make and enjoy. Hope you like it. Friends, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications of the new uploads. Some more videos for you in case you want to watch them. You might have missed them out earlier. And see you soon with a new recipe.